Good morning. My name is Kelly Ayana Garcia Benavides. I am 20 years old. I live in Albania, Soydeburg, of the municipality of Villagarzón, in the department of Putumayo. I am currently in the second semester of the Bachelor Degree Pedagogy and Childhood Education at Sekar University. Now, I am going to share with you about my daily routine from Monday to Sunday. On Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, I get up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then I usually take a shower and get dressed. Then I prepare my breakfast at 8 o'clock a.m. I usually eat fruits and vegetables, but now I am breaking my diet. My parents only drink coffee. After that, I brush and continue cleaning the house. I also take time to check my homeworks on the virtual platform. I rarely do the lunch because my mother doesn't. I watch my favorite novel on TV, then I take for 30 minutes. Sometimes I take a nap from 4 to 5 p.m. Then I prepare the dinner, I talk with my parents, and finally I go to bed around 8 o'clock a.m. On Friday, I get up at 8 o'clock a.m. Then I take a shower and get dressed. A breakfast later. I always work doing manicure and pedicure at home from 9 a.m. To 3 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. I have to work in order to pay the university students. On Saturday and Sunday, I get up at 5 o'clock a.m. I wash my face, I brush my teeth and drink and some tea. Then pick my father up that take and do work on my motorcycle. I always prepare a green salad fruits. I clean the house, do the laundry, and a day I shower. I also walk the dog for a while. I also do exercise in my room. Be 20 minutes. I help my mother with the duties. We never cook lunch weekends. We always buy the food. Good the ate lunch at my own aunt's house. Sometimes we go to the river with the family and have lunch on the river beach. Around 4 p.m. I usually go jogging with my cousins. When we return lunch, I take a rest for a few minutes and I prepare the dinner. I rest for a while and later I go to play micro soccer with my friends. We finish playing around 8 or 9 p.m. Then I arrive home, I take a shower and finally go to sleep at 9:03 p.m. Thank you.